Diseases weight loss helps you avoid. No one in this world would like to live with diseases for which they would need to stay on medications for the rest of their life, needless to talk about the side effects they would have to face due to those medications. We know that you would never want that for yourself or your loved ones. However, if you or your loved ones are obese and fortunately, do not have any ailments as of now, then it is time you shed that unwanted weight and relieve your body from that burden. As this would help you to stay away from the diseases that are going to be shown shortly. It's difficult to reduce weight, and it doesn't matter if you want to shed 10 pounds or 50. It can be difficult to keep yourself motivated if you have strived before and failed to achieve your objective. However, you don't have to shed a lot of weight to reap the health benefits. In fact, studies show that decreasing just 5% of overall body weight can enhance your health in a variety of manners. Although your weight does not indicate how fit you are, decreasing weight can probably come with some truly amazing health benefits. However, if you have tried various diet plans and weight management programs, but still couldn't achieve the desired results, then we recommend checking out the amazing weight loss products listed in the description, to help you lose weight fast. Some of these products are so fantastic that they help you lose weight while you eat. So, do check out the links in the description to lose that excess fat and help yourself get in shape. Now, let's move on to the diseases that you would avoid when you lose weight and health benefits you would experience along with that. Number 1, helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is caused by a variety of conditions, however obesity acts as a significant component for type 2 diabetes. You develop this condition when your body does not react to insulin properly. Due to this, your blood sugar levels rise, then you become highly resistant to insulin. If you are obese or overweight, attaining and sustaining a suitable weight for your body type and height will help you avoid the condition. If you are in the high zone, losing 5 to 7% of your weight can lower your chances of developing type 2 diabetes by approximately 58%, and for the American Heart Association, weight loss has been shown to have a significant influence on the treatment of type 2 diabetes in several studies. It can help decrease insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels, both of which are significant aspects of diabetes management. Number 2, helps prevent heart diseases. Weight loss can also help your heart by lowering tension on your arteries, which means your heart won't be working as much to transport blood throughout your body. As a result, you get a lower blood pressure and also a low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels, the cholesterol that raises your risk of cardiovascular disease. As per a major 2020 research, whether you lose weight by weight loss treatment like metabolic surgery or exercise and diet, you'll receive the benefits anyway. Experts looked at the impact of weight reduction surgery on obese individuals who had either lost weight by changing their lifestyle or by surgery. The surgery team's risk of cardiovascular disease fell after decreasing 5% to 10% of their weight, whereas the non-surgical team's risk declined after reducing roughly 20% of their weight. Number 3, helps prevent stroke. Excessive weight affects the cardiovascular system, which raises the chance of a stroke. This is due to the fact that high blood pressure causes a load on your veins and arteries, making them harder and much more prone to clotting. Because blood arteries are less restricted when you lose weight, your heart's functionality improves. Heart problems, stroke and other cardiac illnesses contribute for 1 in every 3 deaths in North America, as per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Sustaining a healthy body weight can help you avoid these problems. Also, it is crucial to maintain a balanced diet and be active. This will be beneficial to your heart. Number 4, helps prevent cancer. Excessive body weight is considered to be the source of roughly 11% of malignancies in women and roughly 5% of malignancies in men, as per the American Cancer Society. Obesity raises your likelihood of acquiring a variety of cancers: breast cancer, endometrial cancer, liver cancer, kidney cancer, colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, ovarian cancer, thyroid cancer, and a variety of other cancers are among them. Although the specific association between cancer and obesity is uncertain, experts suspect that inflammation caused by visceral fat, the fat that surrounds important organs, is responsible. Weight loss may reduce your chances of getting some of these cancers. Number 5, helps prevent joint pain. Joints could become pressured, injured, and irritated as a result of increased weight, although decreasing weight would definitely help. Obese individuals with knee arthritis were assessed in a 2018 survey. Researchers noted that lowering 10% to 20% of one's body mass led to much less discomfort and better joint mobility than reducing just 5% of one's body mass, which had no noticeable joint pain improvements. The reason for this is probably due to how rapidly joints degrade when they are subjected to increased burden from being overweight. Number 6. Helps improve mobility. Bearing additional weight around would put additional strain on your joints. The Arthritis Foundation claims that dropping 10 pounds can relieve 40 pounds of force on your knees. There's more great news. Losing weight was proven to lessen rheumatoid arthritis syndrome in a 2018 research involving 174 individuals. In the long haul, weight loss can enhance your mobility. A 2017 research examined 640 individuals who were overweight or obese. Over the span of 4 years, individuals who reduced weight had far less cartilage degeneration compared to those who did not. Number 7. Offers better sleep. Sleep apnea, a disease characterized by interrupted breathing while being asleep, is much more common among overweight individuals. Excessive weight can cause fatty tissue in the neck, obstructing your breathing tract. If you have this problem, then decreasing weight would not completely fix the problem. As per the National Sleep Foundation, decreasing merely 10% to 15% of your body mass can enhance sleep efficiency and lower the symptoms of sleep apnea in mildly obese individuals. Number 8. Boosts your energy. You may feel highly energetic during the day if you lose weight because it enhances your sleep. Excessive weight makes it more difficult for your body to move around. As a result, losing weight reduces the amount of energy required to move around. It also enhances breathing, making you feel highly energized. Number 9. Enhances your mood. According to several studies, losing weight might boost your self-confidence and overall attitude. This could be due to the weight loss done through lifestyle adjustments. Depression and diet are intrinsically linked. While decreasing weight is unlikely to alleviate sadness, a nutritious diet might help you avoid the processed food doldrums. Avoid added sugars and processed foods by eating a well-balanced diet rich in vegetables, fresh fruits, healthy fats, legumes, and lean proteins. Enhancing your level of physical activity could also help. Exercising on a regular basis has been shown in studies to aid with anxiety and sadness. Since you have made it this far in the video, we would appreciate it if you could like and share this video and also consider subscribing to the channel for more such content. And remember, the links are waiting for you in the description, so do check them out. Moving on to number 10, and that is improved sex drive. It's possible that losing weight would contribute towards a more dynamic sex life. Experts are still attempting to identify the precise relationship involving body mass index and sex drive. Weight gain, on the other hand, has been shown to raise blood levels of sex hormone-binding globulin, SHBG. That's a scientific way of explaining that being overweight may affect your desire. On the other hand, having a low body mass index, dieting excessively, or reducing calories excessively can all reduce libido and sex drive. So, it would be better if you maintain a healthy body weight. So, these are the benefits you can experience and the diseases you can avoid by losing that unwanted weight from your body. Just be consistent and stay focused on achieving your weight loss goals, and we promise that one fine day you will conquer them all.